Hi Dresser Cuties, Wayne here. Today we're going to draw Ross from the Wild Robot. So let's get started. To draw this cute wild robot, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a big circle. And then I'm going to come right across, not too wide, but right here, and draw another circle. There, so now I have my two big circles. I'm going to come inside and draw another circle inside. And same thing over here. There's definitely a lot of details that I'm not drawing. I'm trying to simplify as much as possible. When you're coloring, you can just add like maybe like that aquish blue color inside the eyes to make it come alive. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm going to come to the center of my circle, which is about right here, and I'm just going to come out a tiny little bit. So same thing on the other side, just about right here. From there, I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle for the head. So I'm just going to use this as my guide and come all the way across here to draw this dome circle shape. So about right here, nice and high. About right here is my center, and I'm going to come right back down. If you're not comfortable drawing it this way, you can always start with a circle for the head first and then put in the eyes. So just play around with it, and I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom. I just like to start with the eyes because then I just know for sure where my eyes are going to be and the size of the eyes. It just makes it a little bit more accurate for me. So now go ahead and just draw this circle to complete the head. There. And then quickly I'll just draw in some detail. Right in the center, we're going to draw a line coming down, and then maybe about right here, just going to curve down. So same thing here, find your center and go up, and another curve here, and then almost forgot two little dots right here for some main details. There. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and draw the neck. So I'm going to come right into the center, come down, and then connect it, and then just add a line. And once again, I'm just simplifying everything as much as possible. So then from there, we're going to draw the body. So I'm going to come out with a curve. I'm going to go past the head shape, so a little bit bigger. Not too much. I'm still trying to make it a little bit cuter. I was tempted to make the head much bigger and then the body smaller, but I feel like maybe this proportion is better. More true to the original. Okay, so now that I have this curve, I'm going to bring it down. And it's like drawing a circle, but I'm trying to give it a little bit more shape than just a regular circle. So maybe kind of like this oval shape. So then about right there, I'm going to bring it in just to give it more of a chest shape rather than just a circle. But if you're not comfortable drawing this, of course, you can just draw a circle. There. So it's very subtle, but I think it just adds a little bit more definition to the body. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to come down. So I'm just going to work with the main parts first. So this being our center, I'm going to come out. Let's see here. Just make it a little bit. So center, I'm going to come out maybe about right here and here, right in my left. And then from there, I have those two little lines. I'm going to add a line going across. I'll shade this part in. This is just the divider. And then right here, we're just going to connect it with a curve. There. Okay, and so now that we have that, we can go ahead and draw the legs. So I'm going to come to the side and just draw two little angle lines and then connect it with a curve for like the hip socket right about here and connect. So same thing over here. for some detail, you can add a little curve right here if you like. And then we can start the legs. So I'm going to work on this side first, and I'm just going to go ahead and come down with a line. It's going to get a little bit wider as we come down. And same thing here. So I'm not making the legs as long as they could be. Don't have that much vertical space. So say about right there, go ahead and connect it. And then the joint, I'm just going to draw a curve coming out. And then another one for the bottom leg out. So everything is still nicely centered as we go down. So just keep that in mind. And then I'm going to bring this down. And we're getting wider. And then about right here, I'll just bring it in. There. And then the foot. So I'm just going to draw a curve and pop it out. And connect it. There. Okay, so same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to use this side as my guide for everything. There. Okay, and then let's see here. Let's fill in the details a little bit later. Then let's come back up for the arms. So let's say about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and once again, same thing, draw two little angle lines for the joint. And then on this side, we're going to draw a cap for the shoulder and bring it in. And then in this area, I'm just going to draw a half circle to fill it in. Then from there, we can go ahead and we're going to bring the arms nice and low all the way down to perhaps maybe this joint right here. So let's say about right there. And same thing, we're just going to thicken it up and we're just going to get a little bit wider as we come down. There. And then in this area, we're going to connect it with a curve and come down for the hand. And then right about here, oh, actually, you know what, a little bit. Oh, this is okay. We're going to curve down and connect it right here. So this part right here is where we're going to put a thumb and then some fingers all the way in. Maybe another one, part it right there. Okay, so same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag these points across and make sure I'm about the same on the other side. And that's just my goal. So once again, shoulder, and then connect it. There, and then once again the arms. So we're just going to bring it back down to about right there, like the other side. So bring down the curve. About right there. And about the same thickness and a little bit wider as we come to the bottom. And once again, connect it. Then a little curve right here for the fingers down. And connect. Okay, and then once again, a thumb right in here and some fingers. There. Okay, so now that we have all the major parts in, we can come in here with a bunch of details. So I'll start over here, right here with this main one here, and then we're just going to go let's see, come down here. We're just going to go ahead and draw a bunch of curves going all the way down. So same thing over here. So I'll try my best to make it the same as the other side. So you can definitely just keep dragging these points across, but I'm just gonna wing it and hopefully just keep going. Okay, so there. And then on the hands, there's some curves you can draw right here for some detail. We're just trying to make it look more like a robot as much as possible. And on the hands as well. Here, I guess I should go on this way. Sorry, this way. Should curve this way, yeah. Okay, there. And then on this part right here, let's go ahead and do the same thing on the legs. So I really hope you have fun drawing this robot. A curve right here and here by putting all these details. And here we're just going to draw a loop coming down. And then on the feet, right here, going down and then a curve and then across. And maybe one here and then a curve right there. So same thing on the other side. Okay, and then here we could add another detail as well. And let's see here. So on the body. So let's say this is our center. Let's go about right here. I'm just going to draw a line. Right in the center, we're going to go up and curve. Up and curve. So we're just trying to make it as center as possible. So I'm just going to draw this line, make sure it's kind of centered right there, and then go up for another detail. The other side, and then at the bottom about right here, go ahead and just draw this curve that goes up towards the center and then comes right back down. And another one here. Then line right about here, and then we can go up. And a line there. Another one here. And like I said, there is a bunch of detail, so you know what? Let's just draw this one as well since I'm here. And it's all up to you how many details you want. You can just leave this part blank if you like, if this is just too much. And let's see, and there's these stripes here I think we should draw. I think this is an important part, so it's all in gray, so I'm just showing you how to draw it, but you can just color it in gray. Something like that. And let's see here. Do we want to try the main detail right here? Why not? Let's try it. Let's go right here underneath, and I'm just going to lightly draw a curve all the way across. Come down. And down and then across. So same thing here. There, and hopefully I've put in the necessary details. to help you draw this wild robot named Ross. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I helped you today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.